So we want this IC I24 to determine velocity of link number 4 from the known velocity of link number 2. So let us see how to plot I24. Now if I join 2 4, 2 4 must be a part of common side of two triangles. So if I join 2 4, I get only one triangle, 2 3 4. Second triangle is missing. But if I have 1 4 with me, I will get the second triangle. First 2 3 4 and second 2 1 4. So before going for 2 4 directly, first of all let us plot 1 4. So join 1 4. First I say I am plotting I14. So I14 is common side of two triangles. First triangle is 1 6 4 and second triangle is 1 5 4. So I14 according to Kennedy's theorem will lie on line joining these two ICs 1 6 4 6 as well as on the line joining 1 5 and 4 5. So I will write here I14 lies on line joining 1 6 and 4 6. I14 also lies on line joining 1 5 and 4 5. So it will be at the intersection of these two lines, line joining 1 6 4 6 and 1 5 4 5. So let us draw these two lines. The first line is 1 6 4 6. So 1 6 has infinity along this line, 4 6 is here. So this is the line joining 1 6 4 6. This is my first line which joins these two eye centers 1 6 4 6. Now second line is 1 5 4 5, line joining eye center 1 5 to eye center 4 5. So this is eye center 4 5 and 1 4 is at infinity on this line. So we have this line. So this is the line joining 1 5 at infinity and 4 5 here. So intersection of both these lines is my eye center I14. So I have located 1 4. Now from 1 4 I can now locate 2 4 which we are in need of. So I will join this line now 2 4 and now let us check 2 4 is the common side to two triangles. Yes, we have got this. We have got the first triangle 2 3 4 and second triangle 1 2 4, of which 2 4 is the common side. Now I can plot this IC very easily. So I24 lies on two lines. Which is the first line? 2 3 3 4. Line joining eye center 2 3 to 3 4. And which is the second line? Line joining 1 2 and 1 4. So let us plot these ICs. Let us plot this IC. So first line we require is the line joining 2 3 and 3 4. So here is 2 3 and here is 3 4. So this is my line which joins these two ICs 2 3 and 3 4. So this is my first line. Now second line is line joining 1 2 and 1 4. So here is 1 2 and here is 1 4. So we'll produce this line. So this is my second line. These two lines will intersect at I24. So first line and second line will intersect here, and this is my I24. which is the required eye center. Now let us do the calculations. The rest part is to simply apply the angular velocity ratio theorem. We have plotted I24, so omega 4 divided by omega 2 is equals to common eye center I24, common eye center I24, distance of I24 from center of rotation of link number 2, and distance of I24 from center of rotation of link number 4 is equals to omega 4 divided by omega 2 is 5. So let us measure these distances. Distance I24 to I12. So here is I24, here is I12. Let us measure the distance. It is 6 centimeters. Now I24 to I14 is 1.4 centimeters. So doing these calculations, we get omega 4 is equals to 6 divided by 1.4 into 5 is 18.33 radian per second. So angular velocity of ternary link BDE, that is link number 4, is equals to 18 radian per second in magnitude. Now what about the direction? We know that for direction we look the location of common eye center with respect to the center of rotation I12 and I14. According to Kennedy's theorem, these three ICs must lie on a single straight line. Yes, I14, I24 and I12 lies on single straight line. But I24 is located in between these two ICs. So link number 2 and link number 4 will rotate in opposite directions. Since link number 2 rotates in clockwise sense, link number 4 will rotate in counterclockwise direction. So we have determined the angular velocity of link number 4, that is ternary link BDE, which is equals to 18 radian per second in counterclockwise sense. So it's very simple. You have to simply follow the steps accordingly to find out the unknown velocities. First we draw the configuration diagram, then we draw the circle, divide the circle into number of parts equal to the number of links in a mechanism. Then we start plotting the obvious ICs, and after plotting each obvious IC, we'll join the corresponding points in the circle, and then we read the problem statement. We make a pair of known velocity with the unknown, and we concentrate on plotting that IC only. No need to draw or plot all the eye centers. So we have plotted only I24. Now let us try to find out velocity of link number 5, which is the slider. So now we have link number 2 with us, whose velocity is known, and link number 4, whose velocity is also known, and we want to determine velocity of link number 5. So we can make use of any one of these two ICs, I25 or I45. So let us look which is present. I25 is not there, I45 is there, I15 is there, I14 is there. So we can determine velocity of link number 5 from this IC, I45. So velocity of I45 when it lies on link number 4, because 4 is the rotating link, what we assume, this common eye center lies on this first link, so it will rotate with this link. So its linear tangential velocity will be equals to radius of rotation, that is distance of I45 from center of rotation of link number 4, that is I14, into angular velocity of link number 4. Now we need to multiply this by scale factor. This is equals to, let us measure this distance, I45 to I14. So here is 45, here is 14, distance is 2.6 into omega 4, just we have determined 18.33, and scale factor is 1. So this is equals to, this will give the linear velocity of link number 5. So 2.6 into 18.33 is equals to 47.658 centimeters per second is the velocity of I45 when it lies on link number 4. Now in the second step, we assume that this eye center now lies on link number 5 and find out its linear velocity. But link number 5 is slider and velocities of all the points on the slider are same. And we know the velocity of I45, which is lying on link number 5. So sliding velocity of link number 5 is equals to velocity of I45 equals to 47.6 centimeter per second is our answer. So this was again a simple problem on instantaneous center of rotation method. In next lecture we will solve some more numericals, some graphical solutions to more problems on ICR. Thank you.